This Prince Kaybee and Botlhale's debacle is not going anywhere. It looks like it's sticking around for a while. So Botlhale shared a clip on his Facebook. It's a clip of a video where he's singing, sort of showing us the original song. And then Prince Kaybee also responds, guys, get ready, get ready, get ready. So this is the clip that Botlhale shared on his Facebook page. Here's the original song I sent to Prince Kaybee. Now compare this song with the one in the comment section. Ya abut waluna wa uruhana. Hey Botlhale. No man. You can always imagine that Prince Kaybee is gonna respond, right? He will definitely respond. So this is the clip that Botlhale shared on his Facebook profile. He claims it is the song that he sent to Prince Kaybee, where he needed some feedback about that song and we didn't get it. So let me show you what Prince Kaybee is saying. And Prince Kaybee is like, this is not even the same key. The chord progression is not even in the same key, and the melody isn't the same. I must give it to you. Great attempt to try to shine because of me. Shouldn't have entertained this at all. That's Prince Kaybee. Guys, I checked the song, ne? I checked both of the songs. The one that Prince Kaybee, the clip that he shared on his Twitter, and also checked the one that Botlhale just released now. The two songs, guys, maybe you guys will judge. We're gonna listen to both of them and you guys will compare whether they sound the same or not. I have my verdict on it, but I'll tell you later. Oh, Prince Kaybee came in the comment section as well and responded to this and said, and lastly, I never received this song that you speak of. This is a joke, honestly. Thought you were gonna send something at least similar to what I produced. You missed, Mfana. Try next door. And you can always imagine all those those reactions. And then Botlhale is there also pushing. He's like, Lord, you think so? Go release the song then. And I think he knows why he's saying that, Botlhale, because he registered the song already. And then still in the comment section, people are debating there. Makibane Mutwalidi, he's saying, she's saying, sorry, Prince Kaybee, but as a matured man, you have some things, address them properly, as some of us respect you and your music. Skakenya matapa, kaukupa. Respect to you, brother. Peace and love. Hope this gets resolved. And then Chris Ndlovu is also having something to say there. Work with the boy and stop beefing young ones. If he made a mistake, meet him and talk if possible. Work things out. At this rate, at this stage, I doubt these guys are gonna meet and talk about this whole thing. I doubt, because Prince Kaybee also continued posting something. Let me show you what he said. He's saying, this is the last time I comment on this. I've produced Charlotte, that inspired Love is Blind, and other hit songs even before that boy got out of school. The beat I posted is a template of the songs I have produced before, because that's my style. Yeah, that's his style of music. I love chords, even from better days. Now, because a lot of people on TikTok like the recent snippet, some fool car German cat discredits me and y'all believing him is telling. I don't know this guy. I've never spoken to him. He even sent whatever he sent to the wrong email address, I suppose. Lastly, what he is singing is not the same as what I produced. They are miles apart from each other, far apart. Thank you. That's Prince Kaybee, and he's already got like lots of shares and comments there. You can always imagine. I just want to, guys, like before we can even go far, I just want to say, I don't know about Prince Kaybee. Eh? I respect this guy. He produced great music. Like I always like his music. He produced big songs, big hits, you know. But I feel like his social media management needs a little bit of tweaking, because going after young ones like these is not always advisable, especially if you're a senior. Because I can always imagine the reason Botlhale sent Prince Kaybee, because now we have a proof that he did send, even though Prince Kaybee is saying no, that's not the correct email. But how come it's a wrong email if it's in his profile? Because that email that Botlhale used to send the song is the same email that is on his profile. So how is it that is a wrong email? I don't get it. But I feel like Prince Kaybee need to manage his social networks better. I mean, he can do better. Probably need to get someone to manage him. He's always, up to something, Prince Kaybee. But you can always expect this kind of things from superstars, hey? Okay, so now I wanted us to go straight to the videos. I want you guys to judge on your own, to check if these two clips or these songs sound the same. I'm gonna talk about the chord progression, and I'll also talk about the beat, and I mean the key of the songs, both of the clips. It's two things. No, not a lot. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with Botlhale. We're gonna start with Botlhale's one. This is what Botlhale says he sent to Prince Kaybee. This song, I think he's gonna play it on the thing. Let's just listen.
I've been on wake mode. I kept trying and trying.
I like this guy singing.
It was failing and failing. But I kept on going. Hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready.
I'm just not sure. Maybe his voice is a little lighter. Maybe that's why Prince Kaybee didn't like to use his voice for this song. I don't know. But he sings well.
I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. Cause I'm coming for more. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready.
Okay. So according to me, when I listen to this song, the chords progression there is 2. It's on a key. Okay, let's start with the key first. The song is on a key of D. So Botlhale is singing his song on a key of D, and the progression there, it starts from chord number 2, which is a 2, and then it goes to chord number 3. He goes to chord number 4, and then he finishes off with chords number 5 and 6. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, because this song has lots of chords. Like Prince Kaybee said, he likes chords. And Botlhale also did mention, like I said in the previous video, that he sent the song. Remember in the email, he sent the song to Prince Kaybee because he just played something that he thinks will vibe with Prince Kaybee, because it sounds like he likes this kind of stuff. If you guys remember the email. Okay guys, now let's listen to what Prince Kaybee and TJ, I think, is the guy who is gonna do the vocals on this song. Let's hear what TJ and Prince Kaybee came up with, so we can compare the two regarding chords progression and the key, and then the vocals we want, like, because of obvious reasons. Don't mind the beat, because I mean this one is like the one that Prince Kaybee has already cooked, so already it's following a culture of house, if you can call it that way. Great voice, man. This guy sings very well. Great voice, great voice. We have to acknowledge that. I like this song. I like it. I like it. I like it. Cool. So that's TJ there, the vocalist. So what do you guys think? I mean, do these songs sound the same according to you, or they don't? According to me, if you want me to give you a verdict, I feel like this song sounds the same. Prince Kaybee just took this song, man. I think Prince Kaybee should have done the right thing. He took this song because if you check chords progression, let's look at chords progression before the key. The chords progression, it's the same. This one, Prince Kaybee's one, is also following the same progression, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because Prince Kaybee, he loves chords. And these are the chords that are there. Chords number 2, chord number 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's the same one as Botlhale's one. So clearly, Prince Kaybee took this song and did not acknowledge Botlhale. He probably should have credited him or called him to do the vocals since he came up with the beat. Because whatever Prince Kaybee can say, his version is inspired by Botlhale's one. It's inspired by Botlhale's one, and even in the email, Botlhale did mention that I know you like this kind of sound. Probably you'll rock with it. You know what I mean? And then Prince Kaybee just took the song and did not include Botlhale, not even to credit him in the song, which is wrong. The challenge now Prince Kaybee has is the fact that he cannot release that song because you remember, Botlhale did register the song already. It was a wise decision from Botlhale's one there by registering the song before sending it out. And it's a good lesson to all upcoming musicians to make sure that whenever you want to send a song to a well-known DJ or producer, make sure that you've already registered the song. The song is in your name to ensure that when things like this happen, you know that you can pack your shit up. You know you can pack your shit up. According to me, keys are different, yes, because Prince Kaybee's version is on a key of B and Botlhale's one is on a key of D, but the progression is the same. I mean, even the strumming, even the accent of the guitar or Prince Kaybee didn't use the guitar. We have to say he actually applied a sort of electronic piano, if you call it that way. Yeah. So I don't know what you guys think about this. Do you think it's the same? Is it the same song? Do you think Prince Kaybee should acknowledge Botlhale? Or do you think Botlhale is just an attention seeker? He's just trying to get clout out of this? Because we know that Botlhale is also a musician. He released a gospel song. He released a gospel song, I think, early this month. And he's been doing a lot of touring around. But the fact is, this is something that needs to be resolved. I hope these guys can actually sort this thing out because Botlhale has already registered the song, which is good. But Prince Kaybee has already teamed up with TJ here to do this duet. So we don't know. You can comment down below, leave your comment, like the video, share the video, comment, tell other people about this one, and then we'll see you in the next upload.